If you prefer a data-based buying guide, then you are in the right place. Welcome to our channel. We are techies, not salesmen. No flashy words or biased opinions. We made this list based on the big data collected from customers, manufacturers, as well as our data providers. Thanks to our exclusive unsupervised learning AI system, analyzing and comparing all these products couldn't be more accurate or efficient. We list the best buy products and their competitive advantages. This list includes options for every type of consumer. If you want more information and the updated prices on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below and feel free to subscribe. Okay, now let's start our list.
Thanks, boys. Now let's get blending in style. You know, smoothies are a great way to get all the nutrients and fibers from your fruits and vegetables into your daily diet. It's a delicious way to enjoy your breakfast, and best of all, it's quick and easy. The Bella Rocket Blender comes with 12 separate pieces, including a 240-watt motor, one 8-ounce and two 13.5-ounce BPA-free tumblers, a blending blade and a grinding blade, 2 storage lids, 2 lip rings, and 2 shaker tops. With its powerful 240-watt motor, blending blade for making delicious smoothies, and a grinding blade for making your own spices or coffee, the Rocket Blender is the bee's knees of multifunctional blenders and at an unbeatable price to boot. In a nutshell, simply toss your ingredients into the cup, twist on your blade of choice, sink to the base, and blend like a champ. When it's done, twist off from the base and enjoy. And all pieces are dishwasher safe for quick cleanup, or simply take your smoothie to go in its 13.5-ounce tumbler and comfortable sip lid. Bella's Rocket Blender makes blending a cinch. Give it a try for yourself and blend the best out of a bland situation.